In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter and sort Notion databases. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow your data to just what matters and arrange it in the order that makes the most sense for your workflow. Start by opening any database view in Notion. This could be a table, board, list, gallery, or calendar. Look to the top right of the view, and you'll see two controls that do all the work for you. Filter and sort. These options are view-specific, so the settings you apply here won't change other views of the same database. Let's begin with filtering. Click Filter, then add a filter and choose the property you want to use. Properties are the columns or fields in your database, things like status, date, assignee, or tags. Once you pick a property, select a condition and a value. For example, you might filter status to show only in-progress items, or set a date property to show entries on or after a certain day. The moment you apply a filter, the view updates to display only the matching entries. You can stack multiple filters to get even more precise. Add another filter for an additional property, like filtering by status and then narrowing by date. If you see options to combine filters, use them to refine how conditions work together. When something looks off, double-check that you're filtering the right property and that the property type matches your goal. For instance, dates as dates, numbers as numbers, and select options that are consistent. To clear the view, remove or toggle off the filters you no longer need. Now let's sort your results so they're easier to scan. Click Sort at the top right, then add a sort and choose a property to organize by. Pick ascending or descending based on the property type. For text, ascending runs A to Z, for numbers, low to high, for dates, oldest to newest. If you need a secondary order, say group by status first, then order by date, add another sort. Notion applies sorts from top to bottom, so drag to reorder them if the results don't look right. A few helpful tips. Filtering hides non-matching entries across the view, while sorting simply reorders what's visible. On calendars and boards, filters can quickly slim down what you see, and sorts help bring the most relevant items to the top of each group or time period. If your view starts to feel cluttered, prune extra filters or simplify your sort list. That's all